How to import products from Amazon to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how it's done. So first we will just log into our Shopify admin and click on apps from the left side here. From there you simply just want to click on all recommended apps and click on Shopify App Store. Now from the Shopify App Store you simply just want to go to the top here and search for Amazon Importer. From here, you simply just want to select this one right here, Reputon Amazon Importer, and you just want to click on it and click on install. Go ahead and click on install one more time. Now from here, you're just going to go ahead and skip on the top right. To import any product from Amazon is very simple. You just want to add the Amazon product link in here and click on import. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so let's say this is the product that I want to import. So I'm just going to go to the top, copy the link to it and go back to Shopify. From here, you just want to paste in the link and click on import. So it should actually show up here with the product information and the import settings. You can just click on import settings. It's just going to open up if you want to import it as a draft or an active one. And if you want to add it to a collection. By the way, all of this can be adjusted later on, so it's fine. So we're just going to click on add product. So it could take a little bit of time, but then it's just going to be fully imported to your store here. As you can see, the same title, same description, and also the media. So this is pretty much how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.